If you watched our video featuring the pie of the Red Solanaceae, you know that Jason used an excess of tomatoes and ended up with an overabundance of tomato filling. In this video, we're going to look for creative uses of that pie filling. Some will be successes, others not so much. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can link to it in the description below. Attempt 1. Tiny pie. If you have pie crust dough left over from the larger tomato pie project, then you can try just making a tinier pie. Here, we're using a brownie pan with small square wells to contain our array of experiments. A quality pie crust can solve any problem, according to one Queen of Muni. Even, bad marriages? Attempt 2. Breakfast taco bowl pie. This was highly experimental. Without any pie crust, we looked for alternate means of supporting and containing the tomato filling. In this case, we're using flour tortillas folded into the wells of the pan and filled with our tomato pie filling, topped with lots of shredded cheese and diced tomato. Attempt 3. Tomato egg bites. This experiment used no crust or container of any sort. You can combine 2 eggs with a cup and a half of tomato filling and then pour them into the wells of your pan to make tomato egg bites. We topped them with little slices of our remaining Gruyere cheese. Our little experiments went into the oven to bake together. Now for the most important question. How does it taste? Okay.
So let's go ahead, let's divide that up.
And you put a whole tomato on top of this too, didn't you?
This one, no.
Oh, okay.
But this was basically just the pie mixture with 1 egg beaten into about 2 ladles of it.
Okay.
To act as a solidifier. Thank you. Just looking at this, you know what this reminds me of?
What's that?
Those egg bites that they sell at the Starbucks.
And you know what it tastes like?
What is that?
Those egg bites you sell at the Starbucks.
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I think
I would eat these for breakfast.
I think
or
I would
brunch.
balance this a little bit more toward the eggy side.
Mm-hmm.
Add some more egg next time around.
Mm-hmm.
The cheese does good things for this.
Mm-hmm.
And our tomato-based taco bowl.
So you know how when you make enchiladas.
Well, I'll tell you this. I'm going to do something uncommon, and I'm going to side with Thomas Edison on this one. I do not have an experiment that is a failure. I have successfully discovered something that did not work.
Yes. Now
this one, instead of the Gruyere, it has Mexican blend.
Mm-hmm.
Shredded Mexican blend with cheese.
It's not enchilada enough to be satisfying in an enchilada kind of a way.
Yeah.
I prefer the egg thing.
The egg thing turned out better than I expected.
Mm-hmm.
If you're interested in seeing us tackle something else from pop culture, perhaps from SpongeBob SquarePants, Bob's Burgers, or my personal favorite, Odin Sphere, you can go ahead, leave us a comment below. Let us know what you would like us to make. Thanks for joining us today. I've been Jason.
And I'm Dawn.
And don't forget to live your life the Meeple Which Way, Meeple people. Dine
Dine
in,
in, game on.